Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Kenski, back with another unboxing video for you guys, and you know what it is. It's gonna be the BT06. This is the newest set from the Digimon TCG. And first off, before we go into the before we go down to business, I just want to give a big shout out to Hobbyjin for sending us a copy of these sets. And as well as a big shout out to RJ for helping me consolidate the delivery of the item. Thank you so much, RJ Magiza. You know who you are. Thank you so much for your help. And now we're gonna go ahead and open the newest sets. So I'm just gonna do a speed unboxing as much as I can. We're gonna focus down on the foils. So we're gonna start off with the one that I nicked the tape off. So hold on, let me just check this out. So it's a momentous day for the Digimon community PH, or the Philippine Digimon community. It's because we now have official sellers, and if you are living in the Philippines and if you wanna learn about the game, this is it, guys. We have official sellers now selling the product. So it will now be easier for you to first off learn the game, secondly to get the cards that you need, and also there's going to be a lot of events coming in for the community. So please, if you're not a member yet, please search. I'm going to link the group. Please join the community and join us with this obsession of mine. Okay, so right now, right off the bat, I just want to showcase the box. If you can see, so we have the Agumon Bond of Courage, and then there's Gabumon Bond of Friendship. Agumon ABC, they call him ABC. So the Bandai has actually changed the tradition. So normally you get one box topper. In this set, you'll get two. So we're just gonna leave it right there, and then we're just gonna open the main, basically the meat of the box. So I'm gonna, as promised, we're gonna do a quick unboxing video. Also, I just want to give a big shout out to Saber Klein. He is also, a fellow YouTuber, that does unboxing. He's one of the first as well. So, God, I remember the days when we were just like looking for boxes, going to malls just to get, cards. So yeah, so right now we're just gonna swipe through and focus down on Ui. Okay, so we have here the baddie from the Digimon Kizuna movie. I forgot her name. But he's a wild one. Anyway. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we have our rare, which is ancient Troyamon or Trojanmon. So let's just gonna. And oh yeah, for those who are new to the channel, please do considering subscribing to my channel. This would really help me out in producing more videos and more contents in the future. And if you have anything that you want to comment, please do so. And if you like the content, please do hit the like button, I mean. So right now, also there's another thing that Digimon did in this set, wherein they made the rares holo foil. So it started off with with the the ST7 and 8, which is, if you notice, that the rares are now foil. So that's actually great in my opinion. So that gives us more reason not to do the full art anymore for the tamer, because there's no point if your rare is actually holo. So why would you get a box topper? So, okay. So this is Eosmon, which is the the main antagonist on the Kizuna movie. So we have our first SR. Okay, let's just do a quick rundown. Okay. So I'm just gonna arrange that later because we're sort of like limited. And then what I like about this set is, okay, so we got, I don't know, I forgot his name, but this is a rare. So what I like about this set is that we have a lot of alternate arts. In a way, it's a bad thing, and it has its, you know, good thing as well. So, well, if you have a lot of alternate art, it means that it's gonna be difficult for you to get the cards that the boss cards that you actually need to start off your deck. So okay, so we got our second rare. I mean our blue. This is gonna be one of the new supports for blue. Okay. And again, just gonna speed this up. Sorry for being quiet, guys. Okay, so we got a rare. That's nice foiling. Oh, I think we got the alternate art ES1. I'm not sure, but yeah. I mean, sorry, Morpmon. So of course, as you know, if you've been following me in my journey, I'm a red player, so I'm looking for Jesmon. Oh, okay, so we got the new mascot for the Digimon card game, which is Pulsemon. Okay, nice foiling there. Alright, so, ooh, okay, so we got Gundramon. He's a rare, so I like that. Okay, this is the new option card that features Gabumon, Bonds of Friendship. Oh, okay, Eusmon. The newest deck. Okay. Okay, so we got our newest Royal Knight, which is gonna be Gankumon. So yeah, I was hoping for Jasmine, but it's okay. I'll take it. I mean, still a Royal Knight and a foil, so we're gonna put that aside. Then I'm just gonna arrange that later. So yeah, they're now featuring Vital Bracelet on the new. Okay. Oh, okay. So we have. I'm not sure if this is the AA one, but this is basically, or AA means alternate art, by the way, guys. So this is Sistermon blank, I believe. So we need that for our Chessmon deck. Guys, you don't know how long I've waited for these set to come out. Okay. Oh, okay. We need that. So we're gonna arrange that later. Another purple, which is a rare. So far, so good. New cards. Okay, so here. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is red Reamer, I believe. So the option card that features ABC, or Agumon Bond of Courage. Okay. We're also building that deck, guys, so we still have 3 boxes to go. And okay, so this is purple, the newest called Greymon. It's the SR. Okay, that's nice. Like I said, we're not gonna be expecting anything. We're just gonna go with the flow here. Okay, so we have the spell card, I believe, for Gankumon. I mean, the option card for Gankumon. So we're gonna keep that. Since it's a foil. Yep, it is a foil. So okay. I tell you guys, this set has a lot of AAs, or alternate arts. So yep, this is this is a new card, very efficient. Oh, okay. This is a very useful card for I don't know. I think it's a Venom something. Okay, so we got Agumon, so that's our first, and then the Tamer, Matt. So we're gonna take this since it's a foil, and then set the non-foil aside. Okay, alright, so we have a rare. So this is another hybrid. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you're a fan of the hybrid decks, so the new Shoutmon. So if you're a fan of the hybrid decks, there's actually a new hybrid that got released in this set, which is green. As you saw earlier, I got the. Oh, okay. So I think this is the normal art one. I'm not sure. But yeah, we got the sister. So let's. Okay. Okay, so. Ooh, okay, so we got the newest support for the blue hybrid deck. I'm looking for the other one. Okay, so we got Magna Kidmon, which is the newest archetype in Digimon, which is the 3 Musketeers. So we got Gondramon. That's nice. Okay. Ooh, okay, we got a secret rare. No. It's actually an SR, but this is an alternate art of Jesmon, which is exactly what we're looking for. Very happy with that. I'm all good with this box. So I'm looking for Agumon, Mon of Courage, Jesmon, of course. Okay. Oh, if you are interested in some of these cards, just let me know. Just hit me up on the group. I'm always active. Willing to trade it or sell it. But I prefer trading because okay, so this is the last pack. Okay, this is the option card for Dynasmon. So normally, there's gonna be like an option card for each. There's gonna be like an option card for each boss card. If you notice, it's normally either their move, or like for example Gaia Force, which is from War Greymon, obviously. So yeah, we're just gonna do a rundown here. So this is a rare, very nice. I like what they did with the foiling. This is let me tell you, their Bandai is up with their gaming here. They went up with their gaming. Okay, so we didn't get ABC, but that's fine. We still got cool cards. I'm gonna check online later for the okay, so we got Eosmon, the big boss, and then ancient Trojanmon. So we're gonna set this aside for the meantime, and we're gonna pick up the next one. Okay. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. I forgot to open the topper. So I like I said, I'm a red player, and I'm hoping that I get Aldamon, which is the newest. It's just a reprint, but oh yeah, forgot to tell you guys. The second one is actually an alternate art, I believe, or a foil of the Digitama. So we have, I don't know the name of this guy, but yeah, he's a green one. So we got that, and then we're gonna move into this one. Please be Aldamon. Please be Aldamon. Okay, so we got, wow, okay, who's this? I forgot the name, but this is supposed to be like a reprint. Okay, well, we'll check that later. So moving on to the next box. I don't think that I'll be able to open all of the boxes in one video, so I might do two, because I have very limited time right now. So we're gonna set that aside, and then we're gonna open this one up. Let's go. Okay, so we have this. I still haven't. Okay, okay, holo. We'll take it out and throw this out. Hold on for a second. Let me just clear this place up real quick. Sorry for the mess, guys. Alright. Let me see if I can, like, okay. Okay. Second pack. So we have this guy, the Crush Gear guy. Yep. Yep. So we're making a mess, guys. So yep, this is what I got. Next pack. Here's the, okay. Next pack here. Oh, okay. So we got a one of the money cards in this set, which is the secret rare Alphamon. So that's awesome. He's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna keep the other cards. So okay. That's nice. So yep, I might buy more boxes. So I'm looking for particular cards. Like I said, I'm a red player. Okay, so we have the new spell card. Oh, okay. So our first tamer, we're gonna need that, which is Tai Chi. Let's chuck this there. I'm gonna try my best to finish the video as soon as I can. Because okay, our second mat. It's nice. Okay, where's the ones that I opened? Okay. There's our Caesars. Here. Okay. Ooh, okay. Dinosmon. Very nice. Royal Knight. This is the newest one. Okay. Oops. Sorry. And wasn't able to show that to you guys. So yeah. I'm wondering if I would be able to like... Okay. Still no... I'm looking for the hybrid one. I still haven't... Okay, so this is the new option card for Eosmon. Obviously, we're gonna put that there because it's a holo. I still haven't pulled any Flamemon. Okay, so yep, we're gonna use that. Agumon Bond. Okay, I mean Agumon, and then we have this guy. So Magna Kidmon. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, Eosmon. Okay, so we got an alternate art, which is gonna be the Agumon Bond of Courage. So I'm quite happy with this, guys, because that's what we're looking for. Alright, so we still haven't pulled any Flamemon. Alright, so let's go. Okay, Turtle Dude. Oh, Eosmon. And, oh, okay, Sister. That's nice. We're gonna use that in our decks. Okay, so last pack from the half. I mean the first half of the second box. Okay, so we got this guy, and we have our third, but we still haven't found any Flamemon. So moving on to the next pack. Okay. So gotta be careful cutting this. I'm not really used to cutting it like this. Normally I do it one by one. It's sort of like getting me worried. Oh my god, please. Okay. Okay, so okay. Okay, our first one. Okay, we got him. And this crazy bitch. I mean, sorry, crazy tamer. Anyway. Okay. Okay, purple. Okay, okay. I'll take it. That's TK. Right. So, yep. Wondering if I'm still gonna get a secret. Oh, no, no, no. So, okay, I think this is the new option card. Some memory manipulation there. Okay, so second, this is now the purple, the new purple duo tamer. Hi, I just want to greet Carlo from Hobbyjin. I just want to give him a big thank you for helping me get this boxes. So we have Hackmon and Hitmon. That's nice. So we have, I think we already have a set of these bad boys. Let's go find that dude. So I'm gonna bring my Ancient Greymon deck back. Ooh, okay. So we have the black tamer, duo tamer. Okay, so are we done? Oh, not yet, not yet. Hold on a second. Okay. Okay. I'll take it. Ooh, okay, Digimon. Okay, new option card for purple. Put that away. We're almost done with the packs, and we only have Markmon, I believe. Still, we only pulled one Flamemon. Oh well, better luck next time. On the next, okay, so we have this guy, which is new support. Okay. Right. I'm just very happy right now opening packs, and knowing the fact that the game is really growing. So this is a block. Oh no, this is a different Digimon. I was thinking about the blocker one. So this Hakmon. Okay, second Choyamon. No more? Alright, that's it. We're just gonna go do a quick rundown. So we have Ancient Troyamon as our second. So we have this guy and Hakmon. I'm gonna sleeve this guy. Oh, okay, so I really love this one. It's the ABC Magna Kidmon, spell option card, Dynasmon, this guy, and of course this guy, Alphamon, badass motherfucker. Alright, I'm just gonna gently put it here, and then I'm gonna cut this video to do a quick cleanup. I'm just gonna do a second video for the other one. For the other two boxes. We still have two more, so I'm hoping to get a set. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh wait, hold on. I almost forgot about this. So let's go ahead and open this up. So what are we gonna get? Alright, so we have the purple reprint, or I'm not sure if it's a reprint or it's a new one. Okay, please be Aldamon. Please be Aldamon. Okay, so we got a Vmon. It looks really nice. Boy. Okay. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching on the first part of the video. Please considering subscribing to my channel, and I'm gonna link down below the shop where I bought this from, and as well as the Digimon official group. Please do considering joining. If you're from the Philippines, it's gonna be a great chance, or there's gonna be an easier way to get stuff, because we now have official sellers. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, this is your boy Kenski. You do have a great day.